Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the place where learning English feels easy and fun. I'm Ava.
Hey, Ava. Hey, everyone. It's really nice to be here again today.
It's great to see you, Noah. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I had a calm morning. I made some tea, so yeah, I'm ready.
Of course you had tea. You always have tea.
And you always have coffee.
Yes, a big cup of coffee. I'm feeling really happy today, actually. I'm a little excited.
Oh, excited. That sounds interesting. Why are you excited?
Because today's topic is fun.
Fun. Is it the park?
Nope, not the park.
Okay. Is it outside?
No, it's inside, and it's very big.
Inside, big, and full of people?
Yes, exactly. And it has many, many shops.
Ah, I know. A shopping mall.
Exactly. Today we're talking about the shopping mall.
That's a great topic. I really like going to the mall.
Me too. And it's a perfect place to learn English.
Yes, because you see signs, you hear people talking, and you can practice real conversations.
Exactly. But before we start our English trip to the mall, we just want to say hello to everyone listening.
Yes, we're really happy you're here with us.
And if you enjoy this,
Please click the like button.
and don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with Ease.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Okay, Noah, let's go to the mall.
All right, I'm ready.
First question. What is a shopping mall?
A shopping mall is a big building.
Yes?
And inside the mall, there are many shops.
Right. We can also say stores. Shop or store, both are correct.
Good to know.
So, what kind of stores do we see?
My favorite thing, food.
Yes, food is very important.
Where do we eat in the mall?
It's a big area, many tables, many small restaurants.
Oh, yes, that's called the food court.
The food court. I love the food court.
Interesting. What can you eat there?
So many things. Pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza.
I know, you really do.
Hamburgers, Chinese food, sandwiches.
The food court is a great place to practice English.
Because you order food, you talk to the cashier, you read the menu.
Okay, food is done. What else is in the mall?
Shopping malls.
Yes, you can buy new clothes,
Shirts,
t-shirts,
pants.
and jeans. Jeans are very popular.
Yes, I wear jeans all the time.
We also see dresses.
Like the blue dress you wore to that wedding.
Yes, I bought it at the mall.
See, the mall is very useful.
And, of course,
Shoes.
let's go to the shoe store.
Wow, so many shoes.
Black shoes, white shoes, brown shoes.
And sneakers.
Sneakers are comfortable shoes for walking or running.
Perfect for walking around the mall.
Okay, we're back in the clothes store.
I see a red shirt.
Nice color.
But what size?
Good question. We have sizes.
Small, S,
Medium, M.
large, L,
What size are you, Noah?
medium. And you?
Medium too.
We're medium friends.
You don't know if the shirt looks good.
So I try it on.
Yes, you try it on in the fitting room.
I look in the mirror.
And?
I like it.
Great. Now you want to buy it.
I go to the cashier.
The cashier tells you the price.
$20.
You can pay with cash.
Or with a card.
The cashier gives you a bag.
And a receipt.
Always keep the receipt.
Whew. Shopping is a little tiring.
I'm hungry again.
Let's go back to the food court.
Pizza again?
Of course.
1 slice of cheese pizza, please.
And 1 slice of pepperoni, please. 2 waters, please.
Very polite.
Uh-oh, I think I'm lost.
Oh no.
I need the bathroom.
What do you say?
Excuse me?
Good start.
Excuse me, where is the bathroom?
Perfect.
The mall is a great place to practice English.
You read signs.
You listen to people.
You order food.
You ask for help.
That's real English.
Wow, time goes fast.
It really does. I had fun today.
Me too. I really enjoyed this. Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite shop at the mall?
Or what do you like to eat at the food court?
Write in English. We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.